those who love us, who love to fish. Amen. I agree. The more one knows, the more they are able to assist those that are seeking information. Exactly. That's why I was led to do this. I mean, I spend a lot of time helping veterans in my locality. Some people I don't even know. Some are friends of a friend. And I spend countless hours with them, countless days, helping them apply for benefits, helping them to look through their medical records. And I find things that they have not considered that it was on their medical records they did not know, were not aware of. Sometimes we forget. I mean, 10 or 20 years out from active duty or during the time of incident, we're not aware that we're entitled. And some things can cause, like chemical exposure, can cause other issues. Can cause other issues within our, like your heart disease. Those who have been exposed to burn pits, some of you who have been exposed to hazardous material. I have constantly worked with hazardous material all the time. I have worked with hazardous material when I was in the Air Force. I have worked with exposed to hazardous material while I was in the Army. It's just how it is. I mean, there's always a chance that you're going to be some type of exposure, and you want to be aware of that. But again, back to fishing and hunting. How many of y'all like to fish and hunt? How would you like to fish for free? Go freshwater and saltwater. I'm on the East Coast, so I can go fresh and saltwater. My license is paid for life. If you're 100%, you don't have to worry about a hunting license. And I'm going to read this to you. Let me read this to you. I got some states represented here on the fishing license side. Let's see here. Hunting license, Commonwealth of Virginia. Now, this is from the Commonwealth of Virginia. Disabled veterans with 100% service-connected disability ratings are eligible to obtain free lifetime hunting license within the Commonwealth of Virginia. I can't speak for other states, but I know for Commonwealth of Virginia you can. The license covers various hunting activities and is wonderful benefit for those who have served.